Hi guys, today I'm back with a Wi-Fi and Bluetooth speaker. This is a speaker made by GGMM. The model number is E3. I really like this speaker. The form factor is a little bit different. I'll show you what it looks like. So this is the box. I'll show you what you get inside. So first of all, you get the speaker. I've got it set up here, and you can see it's got it's kind of a dotted, front with all the small holes in there. It's got a nice retro look. If I can turn down the light, you can probably see there's a clock on there. 11 p.m. We'll go to bed after this making this video. And the bottom, we've got two plastic pads so that it doesn't move around when it's on the surface. Nice and sturdy. And you've got two sets of controls, some commonly used ones on the top. I'll go through these. Hopefully if they don't make sense what they do now, it will make sense a little bit later. So you've got an on-off button, which acts as the mode switch as well, switching between Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, and also auxiliary input if you have a music device connected to it via an audio cable. You've got simple volume and track control, skip forward and backwards, and then the dedicated button for skipping a song forward, play pause button, and favorite channel buttons. And the back, you've got some controls that are less used, a button for you to set up the Wi-Fi, a button to set up the alarm clock and changing the clock in front, etc, etc. As I mentioned, you can use an audio cable to connect with a non-Bluetooth device. This is the DC cable, goes in. It requires a mains adapter. It comes with it, so in the package. I won't show you because it's plugged in the moment. And also a USB output for you to charge tablets and phones. It's got 2.1 amp output, so charging tablet is fine. Right, great. So this is the speaker. Now, if you're not familiar with the two different types of connection, the Bluetooth and the Wi-Fi, I'll briefly explain to you. So Bluetooth, I'm sure you're pretty familiar with. You just connect it with the speaker to your phone, and via your phone you control the music. It's more of a one-on-one kind of a mapping. Well, with Wi-Fi, you can use an app on the phone to connect the speaker with your home Wi-Fi network or any Wi-Fi network. And once connected, you can use a phone that is connected to that network to control the music. And it's not limited to one phone or one device. If your wife or your husband or your daughter, your son, or whoever in your family's got a smartphone, download the app and connect to the same Wi-Fi network, he or she can cue song and play song through their device as well, which is really good. Also, if you have more than one of these, you can set up such that using the same phone or same device, you can control music coming out from these speakers. So you can have songs playing from the one in the bedroom and a different song playing through the one from the living room. Or if you wish, you can play the same song through all these speakers, so that when you walk around the house, you get the same music playing around. Separately, or alternatively, you can have two different speakers, placing them side by side, one playing the left channel and one playing the right channel. That really improves this kind of 3D sound quality within the same room. So there's really a lot you can do, and Wi-Fi does offer a lot more functions or benefits compared to a standard Bluetooth connection. So this has both functions, so you can use whichever one you want. So I guess if you have just the one, you are limited to using the one speaker using these functions. I mean, Wi-Fi will still give you the benefit because you can control the music wherever you are within the house, whereas Bluetooth is maybe up to 10 meters or more. I mean, it's not far. If you're too far away, you lose connection. So I've been using Wi-Fi exclusively because it just gives me that much more freedom. Now you can see the blue light here. So when you have a blue light, it means it's connected to Wi-Fi. A white light means that it's using a Bluetooth connection. If it's a green light, it means that you've got an audio cable somewhere connected with your music device. So in terms of setup, I must say I haven't got any previous experience in connecting a speaker to a Wi-Fi network. This is my first time, and as it turned out, it was really quite simple. It took me maybe a minute or two. So first of all, you need to download the GGMM E-Series app. This is the E3 speaker, so the manufacturer is GGMM. So once you've downloaded it, you go through the procedure. It will literally take you step by step. It wouldn't take you more than 2 minutes. All you need is obviously for you to know which Wi-Fi network you are in, and also the password to that router. Once you put that in, you're set. You can choose to name your speaker, bedroom, living room, bathroom, whatever it is that you intend to put the speaker in. And here you've got LR, that means that it's playing both channels on this speaker. You can change
left channel.
Left channel, thank you. Only, or
right channel.
Thank you.
Stereo.
Or stereo. So I've only got one of these, so at the moment I've got both channels coming through. And once you've got that set up, if you've got music in your device, you can just play it through here, pretty much like any other speakers that you've got. Or if you wish, you could, let's see, there you are, you could connect it with music streaming services. So personally, I use TuneIn and Spotify, and there are others that you can choose from. I don't use these. Pandora, I've heard of it, but some others that you may or may not know. So you can switch these on to show on the main menu. So I've got Spotify and TuneIn on. So just quickly demonstrate maybe the sound quality to you. It's not going to be perfect. It's going to be through my speaker at home. My mic at home. But hopefully that gives you an idea. Okay. Here you are. So it's a front-facing speaker. The sound's coming through from the front. The bass is really good. You can probably hear it. And the sound is very balanced across all the frequency. If anything, it's probably slightly, the balance is slightly towards the bass, which is pretty good for playing most of the pop song or any songs on the charts right now. And I've been listening to all sorts of music, and I think this speaker sounds really good. And listening to TuneIn Radio, the vocal or the radio DJ's voice sounds really clear as well. So great, great speaker, and intend to get another one so that I can have one in the bedroom and have one in the living room. Perfect. I really can't recommend any more. A great speaker. Right, so I nearly forgotten to show you what you get in the box. So you have the speaker, and you have the AC adapter. So the cable is 115 centimeters long. So you've got the 3-pin plug here. This bit is removable, so you can slot in different adapters for different countries. So you've got a 2-pin flat pin plug here. You also get a 2-pin round one here. Depending on which part of the world you live, you can use those instead, and also a cable for a wired connection to non-Bluetooth devices. Here you have the warranty card, and finally a setup guide. The setup guide is very, very well written, perfect English. I use the English part, and it tells you exactly what to do if you wanted to connect the speaker via Bluetooth or indeed Wi-Fi. So really useful. So any questions, drop me a line. Otherwise, thank you for watching.